Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Tally Prime or Tally ERP9 is installed and licensed. This ensures the restore will accept the backup. Next, locate the TSF or TBK file on your PC or external drive so you know the exact path. Once done, note the company name, date, and file size. This prevents restoring the wrong file and helps you estimate time. Make sure you have admin rights. Without them, Tally cannot write restored company data to the folder. You open Tally and navigate to Gateway of Tally, then press Alt plus F3 and choose Restore. This is where the import happens. Select the folder containing the backup, pick the correct file, and set the target company name so records align. Once selected, decide whether to overwrite an existing company or create a new one. Choose Create New if you need to compare. During restore, watch the progress bar and note any size warnings. They indicate disk or permission. You open the restored company and immediately verify critical elements, opening balances, ledgers, and recent vouchers so you catch problems early. Then run a trial balance and balance sheet for the backup's date range to confirm totals match expectations. This explains whether restoration succeeded. If you find mismatches, rerun the restore using the other option. Overwrite versus create new, or run Tally's data integrity audit. One quick troubleshooting tip. If restore fails, check folder permissions and available disk space before repeating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.